Oh crap, it's recording. Hey Granny, good morning. Good morning, Granny. Hi, look at you, Shotzi. It's not a picture I'm recording, baby. It's a video. Ooh, good morning. Look at that bad head for Facebook.
Don't you do that to you.
You got me blocked on Facebook anyway, so I don't want nobody to see it on your page.
No, my people.
They won't see me.
Jill will see it.
Yeah, Jill will see it. Tamara will see it.
If they got you as a friend.
Yeah.
But then Jill's friends will see it. And a lot of her friends were my friends.
Ooh, why you cover her forehead? Look at them moles. Oh, Granny love. Oh, oh, that's so sweet. Oh, is she all sick? Kit Kat, Kit Kat, Kitty, you get no love. Look at Shanti gonna start attacking the cat. It's Kitty like, oh, I'm gone. Cat, bring your
ass over here.
You cussing on film, Granny.
Put them things down now.
What thing?
The video thing.
Okay, there it's gone.
No, it's still doing. Trying to get my sexy thighs.
Ooh, that's the sexy.
Sexy thigh.
Look at that sexy kneecap. Yeah. Ooh, I got the other one, baby.
I'm not your mama, I'm your grandma.
I'm
not your mama, I'm your grandma.
And we're